With our email settings already in place, we'll now configure the different notification options available for HaPBX. To do this, go to Admin, System Settings, System MISC. Here you'll find both the Notifications and Storage tabs. In the Notifications tab, you can define a From address, the email address from which system alerts will be sent. This address can be different from the one set in your main email configuration. Make sure the domain of this From address matches the same domain used in your configured email settings. If your email server allows it, you can also add additional recipients for storage or intrusion notifications in this section. Once you've finished setting up the notification addresses, click Save, then move to the Storage tab. Here, you can configure the threshold for storage notifications. For example, to receive alerts when your system storage is almost full. You can enable or disable these alerts depending on your needs. After completing all configurations, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your HaPBX notification system is now fully set up and ready to keep you informed about important system events.